Want to travel more confidently in English? Repeat after me and learn how to speak at the airport. Where's the check-in desk? Repeat. Where's the check-in desk? I'd like to check in my luggage. Repeat. I'd like to check in my luggage. Do I need to remove my laptop? Repeat. Do I need to remove my laptop? What gate is my flight at? Repeat. What gate is my flight at? Is this seat taken? Repeat. Is this seat taken? Could I have a window seat, please? Repeat. Could I have a window seat, please? Excuse me, where is baggage claim? Repeat. Excuse me, where is baggage claim? Well done. Come back tomorrow and practice real English for real life. Subscribe and speak with confidence wherever you go.